following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Division of Emergency Management. A strange atmospheric phenomenon is taking place in North Texas. Residents may notice a change in the color of the sky and increased temperatures. At this time, residents are being asked to stay indoors. Travel is not advised at this time. No immediate threat to life or property currently exists. While this phenomenon is being investigated, it is recommended to avoid directly observing the sky. Further instructions will follow as information becomes available.
Please stand by for an important message from civil authorities.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Division of Emergency Management. A civil danger now exists in the states of Arkansas, Oklahoma, and Texas. This may be expanded into nearby states, and the civil danger will exist until further notice. Since early this afternoon, an unidentified atmospheric phenomenon has resulted in rapidly increasing temperatures, widespread dry lightning, and numerous fire starts across North Texas. Weather radar indicates the affected area continues to expand. Conditions are expected to deteriorate through the evening. Numerous lightning strikes have been reported in areas where no thunderstorms are present. Emergency officials are unable to determine the rate at which the phenomenon is expanding. Residents should not attempt to approach or observe the red atmospheric event. Residents should remain indoors except to evacuate from immediate fire danger. Keep all windows and exterior doors closed. Avoid travel unless absolutely necessary. Do not shelter beneath trees, in open fields, or near power lines due to the risk of unpredictable lightning strikes. Use of fireworks, outdoor grills, or any open flame is strictly prohibited until further notice. Continue to monitor local radio, television, or NOAA weather radio for updated information.